In this video I'm going to show you how to create a super simple overnight oat snack that will have plenty of healthy ingredients that will totally kickstart your morning and have you feel full and sustained so that you can go along with your day. I will explain the health benefits of having this breakfast smoothie as part of a regular diet, and will explain how easy it is to prepare all in under 10 minutes. This can be left overnight to have for your breakfast the next morning. This healthy and filling meal consists of only 9 simple ingredients that are easily accessible, and you will have some of them literally around your home. These ingredients consist of a half a cup organic porridge oats, which is about 73 calories, 1.19 grams of fat, 12.68 grams of carbs and 3.3 grams of protein. Next on the list is a quarter cup of blueberries, which will be 80 calories, 21 grams of carbohydrates, 0.48 grams of fat and 0.31 grams of protein. The third item on the list is a half a cup of strawberries, which will have 31 calories. And the next item will be to have half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, which will have 120 calories, have 9 grams of carbs and 22 grams of protein. And then we will add in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, which will have 23 calories and 2.9 grams of protein. And next up will be to add a half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, then 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 medium kiwi, and then half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, which will have 20 calories and 2.5 grams of fat. All of the content, including almond milk, can be mixed together and left to sit in a container and placed in the fridge to be left overnight, and then it'll be ready to have first thing in the morning for your breakfast. And it's super simple to prepare. It doesn't take long to set this all up, and you'll be pleasantly surprised how tasty it actually is to have first thing in the morning, and it will definitely help satisfy your appetite while helping you feel full until your next meal. Again, if you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content. And as always, thanks for watching.